Taking care of your physical health is essential for living a happy and fulfilling life. Your body is a temple, and it requires proper care and maintenance to function optimally. Neglecting your physical health can lead to a range of health issues and significantly reduce your quality of life. In this video, we will discuss various ways to take care of your physical health. Number 1. Exercise regularly. One of the most important things you can do to take care of your physical health is to exercise regularly. Exercise has numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of chronic diseases, improving mood, increasing energy levels, and maintaining a healthy weight. You should aim to get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Number 2. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet is another crucial component of taking care of your physical health. A healthy diet should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid consuming processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of salt. A healthy diet can help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Number 3. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for your physical and mental well-being. Lack of sleep can lead to a range of health issues, including obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and depression. Adults should aim to get between 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. To improve the quality of your sleep, avoid consuming caffeine and alcohol close to bedtime and establish a regular sleep schedule. Number 4. Manage stress. Stress is a normal part of life, but excessive stress can lead to a range of health problems, including anxiety, depression, and heart disease. Managing stress is essential for maintaining good physical health. There are several ways to manage stress, such as practicing meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining good physical health. Your body needs water to function properly, and dehydration can lead to a range of health issues, including headaches, fatigue, and constipation. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and more if you are exercising or in a hot climate. Number 6. Practice good hygiene. Practicing good hygiene is essential for maintaining good physical health. Good hygiene practices include washing your hands regularly, showering or bathing daily, brushing and flossing your teeth twice a day, and wearing clean clothes. Good hygiene can help prevent the spread of germs and reduce the risk of infections. Number 7. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can have severe health consequences. Smoking is the leading cause of preventable death worldwide, and excessive alcohol consumption can lead to liver disease, cancer, and other health problems. Quitting smoking and reducing alcohol consumption can significantly improve your physical health. In conclusion, taking care of your physical health should be a top priority. Regular exercise, healthy eating, getting enough sleep, managing stress, staying hydrated, practicing good hygiene, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can help you maintain good physical health and prevent chronic diseases. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your physical health, so start making changes today.